Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add and remove widget on your Android home screen. Alright guys, first of all, tap and hold on any empty area of your home screen. Then after you tap and hold on your home screen, the screen will look like this. And since we want to add a widget, we can tap on the widgets option. Then you can select the widgets that you want to add to your Android home screen. And for example, I'm gonna go with a calendar widget. Tap on the widget that you want to add. Then you can select the type of the widget that you want to add to your home screen. And I'm gonna go with this one. Then we can tap on add. Okay, and just wait for a moment. Okay, now as you can see that the calendar widget has been added to our home screen, and if you want to remove this widget from your home screen, you just need to tap and hold on the widget. Then you can click on remove, and after that the widget will be removed from your Android home screen. Alright guys, and that's how we can add and remove widget on Android home screen. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.